Welcome back to Mahat's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. Today, it's all the above. It's healthy, it's vegan, and it's delicious. It is a cauliflower and coconut milk curry. I've got onions, of course, ginger, and garlic. I've got canola oil. I'm gonna put the mix, and we're gonna fry it for a little bit. I'm gonna add fennel seed, bay leaf, cinnamon. I'm gonna make cashew cream. I soak the cashews in water and I'm just gonna whiz them. And that's it. I'm gonna add the rest of the spices: white pepper, turmeric, cumin, Kashmiri powder, sugar. I'm gonna add some lemongrass. This is my touch, and I bang it to release the flavor. Tomato paste, some curry leaf, and coconut milk. I'm gonna add some freshly grated coconut. If you can't find it fresh, use the dried. Salt, cashew cream. Some potato and cauliflower. And I'm gonna leave it to cook. It's ready. I'm gonna end it with some coriander and a squeeze of lemon. And now the tasting. The smell, amazing. This is just such a simple dish with so much depth and flavor. Give it a go. Vegan is nice.